Hello, I'm Bob Krapis, Chevy Trucks Marketing Director, and I'm here to share a few highlights about two Chevrolet iconic nameplates, the all-new Tahoe and Suburban. The Suburban is the longest-running nameplate in automotive history, and both Tahoe and Suburban have fiercely loyal fans who count on their size and strength to transport their most important people and cargo. Let's dive into three key areas of change: best-in-class max cargo volume, superior driving dynamics, and the right technology for our customers.
The decision to deliver a longer wheelbase and the all-new independent rear suspension has transformed both Tahoe and Suburban. By lowering the cargo floor 5.3 inches, we achieve a virtually flat cargo floor, allowing for a more natural third-row seating position. The all-new models offer both four-corner air ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control, not offered by any competitor, that deliver even greater body control. The self-leveling feature is great for heavy loads and towing. Ride height adjustment allows you to get in and out of the vehicle easier and is great for terrain. The Tahoe grew 4% in overall length, leading to class-leading cargo room. The story similar for Suburban, which grew 1% in total length and has best-in-class cargo room.
Inside both, you'll find more premium materials, more technologies, and a spacious cabin. There's now greater differentiation between the trims than ever before. For instance, the all-new High Country is our most refined and modern trim level inspired by the outdoors. Look for details like custom perforation, warm ivory stitching, and bronze accents. RST is our sportiest interior with a black environment, technical decor, and red accent stitching. Also notice interior changes like the push-button transmission, providing more room in the center console, and the power sliding console, which can move up to 10 inches. We completely redesigned our second-row seats, and they can now move up to 5 inches in either direction, giving your passengers some much-appreciated legroom. You can also fold down the seats with the push of a button for greater cargo space. The cargo floor can now be essentially flat, no more groceries rolling out.
And you can't talk about the interior without mentioning the screens. Tahoe and Suburban are available with up to 5 color, fully configurable screens, which include 8-inch instrument panel display, 15-inch heads-up display, 10-inch center console display, dual 12.6-inch screens on the rear seat backs. Many families may choose road trips in the coming months, and these vehicles take the experience to the next level. Break up long drives by streaming videos or music or playing video games from an HDMI device, or plug in a USB for content. Curious about what your sister is playing on the screen? Send content from one screen to the other. Or suggest a pizza pit stop and send turn-by-turn directions straight to mom and dad by accessing the in-dash navigation system.
The automatic load leveling offers up to 4 inches of ride height adjustment. This is ideal when you are pulling a trailer, tackling off-road trails, or simply need an easier entry and exit. We also offer 3 different engines, each paired with an ultra-smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The V8 engines are updated with dynamic fuel management, offering more than 12 firing modes, which improve efficiency and performance. Tahoe and Suburban are also offered with the all-new 3-liter Duramax diesel, a first in segment. Plus, we've adapted many of our trailering technologies from our pickups into Tahoe and Suburban. This includes our trailering app, trailer light test, side blind zone alert with trailering, and the industry's first trailer label, which gives you the exact capabilities of your Tahoe and Suburban.
Beyond safety while trailering, we offer more than 25 standard and available safety and driver convenience features, including rear camera mirror, class-leading 9-camera views, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. All of these changes and more make Tahoe and Suburban the most advanced vehicles we have ever offered. These vehicles already own nearly half of the market, and now we've made them even better.
So as you think about taking that family road trip, pulling that camper, we've taken what people love about Tahoe and Suburban and made it even better. Exceptional ride quality, premium interiors with best-in-class room, all the right technology, and comfortable seating wherever you are in the vehicle.